I bet you didn't know that mango is considered to be the king of fruits. And if you are Jamaican, then you must know that many of us look forward to mango season, which is understandable. After all, it's such a sweet and delicious fruit. Plus, it's extremely nutritious. So you know you're getting a good combination right there. I bet you didn't know either that mango leaves have some really great medicinal properties, and that for eons, people have been using these leaves as a part of their traditional medicine to treat a wide range of illnesses. And there are actually several scientific reports confirming that mango leaves really do have healing properties. One way in which people use mango leaves in folklore medicine is in the form of a tea.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make mango leaf tea. And I'm also going to be sharing the benefits that you can get from drinking this tea. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Mango leaf tea can help to balance your blood sugar level. It can help to reduce your blood pressure, help you to lose weight, reduce stress and anxiety. It can be used to treat varicose veins, improve digestion, relieve sore throats, reduce hiccups, promote eye health, to treat diabetic retinopathy, diabetic angiopathy, coughs, edema, tumors and cancers, to regain lost voice, reduce inflammation, and it can help to flush out kidney stones. It's great for treating colds, bronchitis, and asthma, as well as ear infections. It can increase fertility, and it is full of antioxidants. And it can be used to treat gout. It can also slow down the aging process. Okay guys, now I'm going to share the mango leaf tea recipe with you, which will yield about 1 cup of mango leaf tea. So for your ingredients, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of the young leaves from a mango tree, and they should be fresh. If you like, you can use the whole leaves, which could work out to be about 2 or 3 leaves depending on how big they are. You're also going to need 1.5 cups of water, and I'm going to use honey as my sweetener, but you can use the sweetener of your choice. And the lime juice is optional. The first thing that you're going to do, guys, is to put your water to boil. Then you're going to wash your leaves properly and cut them into smaller pieces. Now remember that you don't have to do this, but the reason why I choose to do this is because I want to get my measurements right. I don't want to overdose. But usually, like I said, 2 or 3 leaves should be able to give you that amount, depending on the size of the leaves. Then you're going to measure the amount needed.
By the time you're finished doing all of this, your water should have started to boil. So you can go ahead and add your leaves to the boiling water and boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you're going to turn off your flame and strain the mixture into a cup. At this point, you can go ahead and add your sweetener. But if you're diabetic, it's best not to have any sweetener. You can go ahead and add your lime juice as well if you so desire. So there you have it, guys, your mango leaf tea. Now, another way in which you can make your mango leaf tea is to first dry your leaves. Then you're going to turn them into powder and then use the powder to make tea. This tea is safe to consume as there are no side effects reported, but like any other herbal tea, it should be taken in moderation and not taken with drugs to prevent drug-herb interaction. So guys, there are some Amazon links located in the description below if you would like to take a look at some mango leaf products, including mango leaf tea bags, capsules and powder. Then you can go ahead and click on these links and take a look, and if you decide to purchase any of these items, I will receive a small commission, but it won't be at any extra cost to you. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.